The Quest. I am a weary traveler in a dry and barren land, in a quest to quench my thirst. It is not water that I seek to satisfy a thirst deep within my soul. I have traveled far and wide, yet thirsty I remain. Oh, where is the oasis that I seek? All I find is a mirage. Time and time again, a well without depth I find. Forced to be a nomad, the shadows they do haunt me. Day and night they plague me, no comfort can I find. Yet in my dreams I see the image of the one, urging me upon my path. Yet again I rise. My path is set, I cannot turn away. This thirst, it must be quenched. This fire burns within my soul.